hear me out. Today in this video, I'm going to give you the exact roadmap I wish I had when I started learning German 6 years ago. A step-by-step plan to saying your first hello all the way to the advanced fluency, broken down into exactly what to learn, what to avoid, and what to focus on at each level. No confusion, just a clean path from A1 to eventually C1. And yes, you can 100% follow the roadmap even if you're starting from zero. So let's jump right in. Alright, as you can see, here we have our entire German learning roadmap. And let's start with our very first foundation level, which is the A1 level, your foundation. At A1 level, you have only one mission, which is to build your foundation. Think of A1 like building the walls for your German house. If this part is weak, everything later collapses. So what exactly should you learn? You should start with building your vocabulary. Start with building blocks of every conversations like greetings, numbers, and common verbs like essen, gehen, fahren, wohnen, and also try to focus on everyday objects. And here's a fun trick that works insanely well. Sticky notes. Look around your room and take any object like a pen or a wallet or let's say a mouse and stick a note on it with the German name. For example, wallet, you might stick with Portemonnaie or Geldbörse. Then you have light, you would stick with Lampe. Then you have door, you can stick with Tür. And suddenly your room becomes your personal German teacher. Everywhere you look is equal to a vocabulary. Second important thing you have to focus on at this level is pronunciation practice. Let's practice a few basics together. The first one is Hallo, ich heiße. Hallo, ich heiße. That means hi, my name is. Then we have Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? How are you? Then we have Ich komme aus. Ich komme aus. I come from. For example, ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Frankreich. Ich komme aus Italien. Just put your home country after ich komme aus. At this level, don't chase perfection. Chase clarity. The third most important thing you have to focus on is grammar. And trust me, A1 grammar is super simple. You just have to focus on some few basics. The first one is sentence structure, the SVO rule or SVO. And that is subject, verb and object. Or in German, Subjekt, Verb or Objekt. And the next grammar rule you have to master is verb conjugation. For example, let's take a verb like spielen, to play. So how do you conjugate the verb spielen for every subject like ich, du, sie, es, like I, you, he, she or it. For ich, it's spiele, ich spiele. For du, spielst. For spielt. So that basically what verb conjugation means. Then you should focus on simple W questions like wer, wo, wie, was. Wer means who, wo means where, was means what, and wie means how. For example, was machst du? What are you doing? Or wie alt bist du? How old are you? Try to master some W questions. Then you should also learn the difference between ich bin and ich habe. Try to start forming teeny sentences like ich trinke Wasser, ich bin müde, ich habe Hunger. Just use 3 words. Simple, memorable and practical. And before we jump into the A2 level, if you want to pass your A1 properly, then I have 2 offers for you. Your action steps, which is my A1 crash course available on YouTube absolutely for free. Just start with this 2-hour long German A1 crash course and you will know all the basics of German and your foundation will be built. And then if you're comfortable with investing some money on your learnings, then you can start with my Fast Track A1 course. And the links to my both crash course and fast track courses you can find down below in the description. Now let's jump into the A2 level. Now let's talk about the A2 level. Time to upgrade your skills. A2 is where German starts getting fun. Suddenly you can order food, ask for directions, talk about yourself, or understand some basic conversations. And the magic of A2, you feel like you can finally survive in Germany. Now let's talk about what you should focus on at this level. The first focus should be expanding vocabulary. Learn topics like shopping, health and food, hobbies, daily routine. For example, ich gehe einkaufen. Ich fühle mich nicht gut. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. Ich habe Bauchschmerzen. Ich liebe Pizza. Ich liebe Burger. Or let's say, meine Hobbys sind Musik hören, Bücher lesen. Dann Daily Routine. Ich stehe um 7 Uhr auf, dann gehe ich zur Arbeit. Um 13 Uhr mache ich meine Pause. Dann esse ich mein Mittagessen. These are some basic sentences you should learn by this level. Then the next focus should be moral verbs, the game changers. From this level on, you should learn the moral verbs like möchten and müssen. And these are 2 moral verbs which changes everything. You can use in every situations. Möchtens mit would like I would like to have that or have this. And on the other hand, müssen means must or have to. For example, ich möchte einen Kaffee. Okay, I would like to have a coffee. Then we have müssen. Ich muss arbeiten. I have to work or I must work. So just try to master these two verbs and try to form hundreds of sentences using only these two verbs. Now let's do interactive practice. Here you have two sentences. The first one is I would like a coffee, please. The second one is where is the train station? Try to translate these sentences in German and write down in the comments. You can check out my A2 Crash course, which is also available on YouTube absolutely for free. And once you're confident enough to take your learning to the next level, you can join our Fast Track A2 program, which is a 5-week step-by-step structured program, so you don't have to guess anything. Now let's talk about the B1 level, or as I call it, the boss level. This is where German stops being textbook and becomes real life. And at B1 level, you'll be able to handle some real life situations, like handle daily situations easily, describe experiences, talk about your opinion, conversations with German, and which means you also know how to use perfect tense. For example, you can form sentences like Was hast du am Wochenende gemacht? Was hast du am Wochenende gemacht? That means what you did last weekend. Let's make this interactive. If you feel that you are at B1 level, try to answer this question in German, okay? Was hast du am Wochenende gemacht? This is my question to you. Was hast du am Wochenende gemacht? At B1 level, the next important thing you should focus on is boosting your listening skills. Start listening to real German, like langsam gesprochene Nachrichten, or let's say some simple podcast in German, or try to listen to some easy YouTube videos. Your listening skill is equal to 50% of your fluency. And as you can already guess, your next step will be check out my B1 crash course, which is also available on YouTube absolutely for free. And after completing the crash course, if you feel confident enough, you can check out my Fast Track B1 course, which is the complete program, like step-by-step 6-week structured program. You don't have to guess anything, just learn according to every test lesson. Now let's talk about the B2 level. It is the level where you can finally start with some advanced conversations. At B2, you are no longer learning German, you are living it. At this level, you should learn some core skills like expressing opinions, discussing news and complex topics, debating, longer conversations, more natural speaking, which makes obvious that you should also be able to do debates or discussions. Here's the interactive practice for you. If you feel that you are at B2 level, then let's do a mini debate practice. So here's my topic. Ich glaube, dass die Umwelt das wichtigste Thema ist. Ich glaube, dass die Umwelt das wichtigste Thema ist. I think the environment is the most important issue. Try to give a B2 level response in the comments. The third important thing you have to focus is improving your fluency. Watch the German show Dark. Yes, the legendary one. Not in English, but in German. And sometimes there will be some sentences or words what you will not understand, for which you can also use the German subtitles. That's what I did back then when I wanted to improve my German from B1 to B2 level. And finally, let's talk about the C1 level, the master stage. If you reach C1 level, you are a legend. This level is all about professional German, academic vocabulary, complex grammar, presentations, writing formal texts, and reading newspapers and research papers. If any C1 learners are watching this video, write a short professional sentence in German in the comments to inspire others. And if you watch the video till this part, you are also a legend. So if this roadmap helped you, drop a like. And for your next step, you can find all the links in the description or in the pinned comment. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.